Hi, welcome to Qbic Technologies at InfoComm 2023. My name is Edward Wang. Qbic Technology is a leading developer of ARM-based systems. It offers exceptional ODM and DMS service that empower customers to bring their unique product ideas to life in timely and cost-effective manners. Qbic's ODM and DMS service cover a wide range of products, including access control, home automations, facility management, digital signage, and more. And all these solutions are built with a focus on quality, reliability, ensuring its long-lasting performance, and delivering on their promises. Qbic's design service also comes with powerful development tools that help customers to easily tailor their products to meet their dynamic and unique needs for their target market. All of Qbic's manufacturers and development are located in Taiwan, guarantee its high-quality production environment. With the in-house expertise spanning software, firmware, hardware, mechanical engineering, and ID design, Qbic is committed to providing full support for the success of its client. Qbic has numerous success stories collaborating with its client, including some listed in the Fortune 500. To find out more of Qbic's products and services and discover how they can help you transform your product vision into reality, come to visit our website at the www.qbictechnology.com. And thank you very much.